How to use ChatGPT by OpenAI for beginners. So first and foremost, you have to go ahead and type in chat.openai.com. However, you have to log in here, so make sure you do that. Now, once you are here, it is pretty simple because you can set it up as a preference. Here you can see output in, where you can select language. Here you can select your tone and writing style. For an tone, you can select emotional and writing style poetic and select preferred language. Here I'm just setting it to English. For an example here, let me type in write a haiku about seasons. So once you type in right here the command or the statement and tap on the arrow button or enter, ChatGPT will make a haiku according to the command just for you. For an example, you can see right here. And not just poems, you can also make it write an essay or a statement or anything that you prefer. For an example, I've written here, write 300 words about marketing. So once you do that, it will create an article or a passage or a paragraph about marketing. However, you can adjust the tone of it from emotional to default. Not only this, ChatGPT can also translate into any language. For an example, here I'm writing translate the statement into Spanish. So as you can see, the passage above is in French. So if I go ahead and type in translate the statement into Spanish and give it a command or something like this, it will automatically translate the statement into Spanish. Isn't it simple? All you have to do is just write what you want in this dialog box and ChatGPT will make it for you. Hopefully this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching.